Juicy kiss on the lips for Black & Decker because they help my 14-year-old daughter eat a healthy breakfast. Delicious snacks, dairy-free, high-protein frappuccinos, and my 14-year-old is doing it all by herself because this machine could not be easier. 3 desserts with almost no effort. High-protein strawberry frozen yogurt, 3-ingredient lemon sorbet, dairy-free protein frappuccino. And the fact that we made 3 types of desserts with almost no efforts, I thought these machines were complicated. This thing proved me wrong. We made homemade ice creams, no cooking, no special skills, no fancy ingredients. You literally press a button. Each one's done in 3.5 minutes, done in about 15. It's the dessert for people who don't want extra work. Some questions that would have prevented me from liking this: is cleanup complicated? Absolutely not. Use soap and water. Simply clean the blade and the top or place everything in the dishwasher. Is the texture actually smooth? Shockingly, yes. This was high protein Greek yogurt and fresh strawberries, and it came out insanely good. And there's a respin option if you want it creamier. Was it hard to make multiple desserts at one time? No. This was 2 ingredients, coconut milk and protein powder. This was 3, water, lemon juice, and sugar. This one was also 3. We made gluten-free, dairy-free, keto, fruit forward, all in the same amount of size you could buy in the store, and so fast, maybe under 15 minutes total. And what about normal everyday ingredients I can find in my grocery store? This was high protein Chobani Greek yogurt, fresh strawberries that I literally put through this Tupperware chop and prep to instantly puree them. And I added the pureed strawberries and a little bit of agave syrup to the yogurt. It was so easy and such the biggest fake out in the history of fake out. It literally tasted like strawberry ice cream. Everyone has a lemon sorbet ingredients on hand, 1/2 cup of lemon juice, 1/2 cup of sugar, and 1 cup of boiling water. Once the sugar dissolves, let it cool, then place the cooled mixture into the container, freeze for 24 hours, and you're good to go. And the dairy-free high-protein frappuccino was literally 1.5 cups of coconut milk, 1 scoop of protein powder. Place the lid on, shake to combine, and you're good to go. You could add as many ingredients as you wanted to make that more enhanced flavor, of course, and the texture was just like a frappuccino. Once your recipes are done, they freeze for 24 hours, then you simply take the lid off, open up the device. The frozen recipe mixture slides into the housing and then locks into place. It slides all the way to the bottom, so you do want to make sure you listen for that clicking sound to note that it's in accurately, and then you replace the top, locking that into place, and re-enter it into the machine. You will know this machine is in accurately when you hear it lock and you hear the door lock as well. Then you simply turn the machine on and select from the available preset options. You'll see the whole process takes about 3.5 minutes. The mixed container slides up into the machine where the rotating metal unit spins and mixes the entire free frozen material. It does over time, so you'll see it slide all the way up. When it's ready, it slides all the way back down, auto turns off, and you know the material is ready. For me, this solves the biggest problem of homemade desserts. People think they need skills. It's not complicated recipes or large batches. Perfect 1 pint size, 1 button, minimal prep. 1 machine handles multiple dessert types, 1 button operation, respin features, fixed textures, pint-sized portions, total ingredient control. From a mom perspective, I love how forgiving it is. I love how it takes simple mixes and turns them into real desserts, which makes experimenting stress-free, and it's the easiest way to make homemade frozen treats without overthinking it. Thanks to Black & Decker for sending this over. If this was helpful in making a buying decision, please give it a like so I know to make more videos like this.